Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Here I have bought Braun Silk Epil 9 Epilator bonus edition, wet and dry epilator, and with 7 extras. This is the model number 9579. Okay, and I am going to unbox this. So let's see what we have got inside this box. Let's open this. I don't know you can see it, but it is sealed with transparent tape, so I have to cut it with scissor. Okay, let's open it. What we got? Okay, here we have this guidebook for epilators, so you can read about how to use and do maintenance of the product maybe. And another book. So this is for brush manual. You can check this too. It will tell you about washing your epilator or brush. And one plastic packaging. It has extras and attachments in it. I can see. I don't know you can see it or not. And what else? It is a charger to charge your epilator, nicely packed. And, okay, here we've got these batteries as box. It is mentioned on box that that brush is batteries operated. Okay, let's take out now main epilator and brush. It is also packed in a you can see it is plastic packaging, right? And nicely packed. I like it. Let's open it. Let's see the brush first. This is how this brush looks like. Okay, nice design, and I am loving epilator actually. Nice color, purple and white combination. Actually it has little design where I don't know you can see it out on the camera. This is the charging side, and nice design. I'm loving it. This is epilator main body. Let's see. Okay, this is a massager head. Okay, let's open this plastic bag so we can see that what are the extras in it. Okay, let me cut this first. What we've got first? Okay, this is the charging stand. Here you will attach the cable, and this is the place for epilator. What else do we have? This is a facial cap for your facial face epilating. Okay, and this is the skin contact cap that you can use for sensitive areas, it says. And this is I guess it is shiver head that is nicely packed in a separate little packaging. Let's cut it so we can have a look. This is, you see, it's a cap. It is so this is the main head. You have to attach this head on on epilator. This is the trimming cap, and I guess you will remove that epilating head and attach this one for shaving and trimming purposes. And this is how it looks like. Nice. I like it. See the product. What else do we have? Okay, this is brush. So you can clean your epilator with this, and here we got this is pouch. I guess it was not mentioned on the box, but it has, and I really like it. I've got this pouch in this model. This is great. I like it. Okay, well, I will I will take my epilator and my brush or my accessories in that pouch when I am traveling, or it's up to you. But that's great. I like it. You can put your these extra attachments in that pouch, so you don't have to find these things. I like it.